How to install a fence post into soil in your garden. For this project you'll need 2 people and it should take you around half an hour to complete. You'll also need the following tools: a spade, a fence post, some hardcore or gravel, post mix cement, a spirit level, timber battens, a tape measure, bar, this is optional, and a specialist post hole spade, which is also optional. Take a spade and dig a hole about 600 millimeters deep and 300 millimeters square. The actual depth will depend on the height of the post you are using. As a rule of thumb, you should have a quarter of the total post height in the ground. If the ground is really difficult to dig out, it might be worth investing in a bar and specialist post hole spade. You can buy these at most merchants. When the hole is finished, fill the bottom with about an inch of gravel or hardcore. This will help with drainage and reduce the risk of the post rotting in the future. Put the post into the hole. Gradually fill the hole with the dry post-fix cement, packing it down while continually checking the level of the post with your spirit level. Fill the hole to about an inch from the top. This is so that when the job is finished, you can cover the top of the cement with soil. Pour water over the cement. Screw a couple of battens to the posts to make sure that they remain securely upright, all the time checking the levels. These battens can be removed when the cement has set.